Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here with another silver unboxing. Just got it right now. So I'm gonna open it for you guys. But first, can't hear the silver shaking, so that's good. Tells you they did a good packaging right there. So let's see if I can open it. Dun dun dun. How to do this? How to do this? Let me set this down. Alright. Got the package right here. See if I can open it. Sorry for taking so long. Yeah, I'm gonna have to set it down. Sorry, guys. Here's the invoice. More on the damn thing. Apmex. Get it from Apmex. Alright, guys, so first to tell you off, not really excited after all, because should have put some more thought into buying what I was gonna buy. I ended up getting 3 bars from the same company in one round. You guys are about to see those right now. But I'm kind of disappointed because I should have bought at least 2 bars in 2 rounds instead of 3 bars in 1 round. So let's get them out. These are the same 3 bars. I got some more of these Johnson Mustang bars because they're really cool. I like them. I like how they look. That's one. Let's see. There's 2 right there. So 2 ounces right there. Yep. That's the other one. Okay. And the third one. Pretty cool. And here's my round. This is my first round. Okay. This is a Silver Eagle. I think that's what it is. Doesn't look like the one that I ordered, but still looks pretty cool. So here it is. Okay. So probably gonna be getting some different type of bars now, and some rounds. Like I said, I should have gotten 2 rounds and 2 bars, but I ended up getting this. But it's alright. Lesson learned, right? Okay, guys, so it's 4 ounces right there. So, like I said, I'll be getting some more. I'll be getting at least 2 bars in 2 rounds, or if I can get more, that'd be awesome. So that's pretty much it. Got this from Apmex. So stay tuned, guys, for the next unboxing. And thanks for watching. Bye.